Ash here with the Red Rock Ranch, getting ready to plant some Enchilium. This is a softneck variety. I've already got about 160 or so. This is my garlic planter. See if I can show you this with one hand. That's the bottom. There's 18 6-inch, approximately 6-inch long broom handle pieces, basically hardwood dowel, and they're screwed down about 6 inches apart on offset rows. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can show you a little bit here. So I just line it up with the next row. One step, pull it up, move down one. So I have to do 12 of these to get to fill that. Here we go. All right, got 12 done. 12 drops basically with that thing. Gives me just what I need. I just try to drop them in the hole and rake them over. Here they are, getting dropped in. Simple as dropping them in the hole. You want to drop them in with the pointy side up, obviously. And it's easy as that. It's a fast way to plant garlic. By hand, anyway. Cool. Try to get all these done. Alright, here's the last few. Just dropping them down in the holes. Last one's in the box. And two more. One more. Let's see. And I had a few extra, so plant those in right at the end of the row here. And another little hack. Kinda a hack. These are sunflower stalks. At the end of the year, I save the stalks and I mark the rows out with them. And then I'll put straw, once I rake these in, then I'll put straw over it, like that. And they still have the sunflower stalks going down it. Anyway, and then come February or so, these will all have green coming up, so they'll easily be marked at that point, and I can reuse those on my next planting beds. And this is how I just kind of give them a nice light fill of those holes, and make sure everybody's covered and has a nice blanket, so to speak. And get them all tucked in here. And like I said, next step is straw. Okay, here's a little detail of my DIY garlic planter. It's about waist high. I think this is an old quilt rack. Anyway, found it in a recycle pile and am recycling it. So I got 6 inches apart, 6-inch spikes. This rows is 6 inch apart, and then they're offset a few inches. And make it your own. But I was able to plant 400 garlic pretty quick. And it makes a big difference when they're spaced nice, and when you go to harvest in July, it makes quite a big difference. So hopefully that inspired somebody to make their own. Okay, here we go. Between this bed down to the wagon wheel and this bed over here, got 400 Enchilium soft neck planted, and they'll be ready in July. Thanks for watching on this DIY garlic planter. And yeah, hopefully it's going to save me a lot of time. I've got at least 1,500 more to go. Thanks, have a great day.